stop behind some cover. Down. Listen to the angry crows. They really don't like their mates getting shot. See him? He's looking for me. So just a couple of crows with the air gun, which is always nice because it's quite hard to sneak up on them. Had to lie and wait. But either way, the sun's come out now, so I'm going to get the rimfire out and see if I can get a rabbit. So 2 crows and a feral in the end with the air gun. The feral got stuck on the roof unfortunately, but something will make a meal of those. And yeah, a nice rabbit, doe rabbit with the rimfire. She wasn't full, fortunately, but my dad will be making a meal out of her. So let's feed the ferrets. I must admit, they're not mad keen on crows, but I'll give them to them anyway. See what they say. Yeah, I'll give one to Arthur. Come on, mate. There you go. Well, he's having a sniff. As I said, I don't think they're that hungry because they've had a lot to eat lately, but never mind. There girls. Yeah. Check that out. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. Like and subscribe.